So the first one is ENS shifters. We talked about it. I told you about it, and I told you that I really like it. How interesting would it be to fill this week from here? I don't think it's something crazy, right? But this has been in accumulation for how much time? This has been in accumulation for until now for 970 days. So this is like a huge bottom forming, okay, on weekly. And the first area which I see it's around 40. So where we had these lows. So the potential for an upside here is like, I would say not necessarily easy, but it's a quick 50% increase from here. Very nice. And after that, it's a 2x, and it's more like almost 3.5x from here until the next big area, major area. Do it here. Put your charts here. Put your tickers here. Oh, my left hand is itching. This is a good sign. We're gonna get some money shifters, right? So what do we have here? And if you remember, right, true, high, all of those setups were looking like this before they broke out and before they had some explosive moves. All of them. I think even Fetch was looking like this. I mean, now, given the fact that this is like some Ethereum ecosystem and Ethereum is going to get a lot of love and Ethereum Bitcoin is looking good, I think this has like a really big chance to rally really fast. It's above the moving average 200. How does Ichimoku look? Ichimoku on weekly, it's also bullish. Like all the elements are bullish on Ichimoku right now. We need to get above this range highs, which are around 28, 29, I would say even above 30. I want to see it above this area because, as you can see, since we entered the bear market, so in January 2022, since then, we entered the bear market here and we started printing this range. So from here, rejection in May 2020, we didn't even reach it all the way until this year in the beginning. Rejection. So we need to have acceptance above 28-30 area. And I think this can happen in like one green candle. Like in one weekly candle, this can rally towards there. And I don't think this is far. Okay, this is what I'm seeing on weekly. I'm seeing a base form for 917 freaking days. So 2.5 years, man. Like this is nuts. Almost 3 years of a base forming. Oh, so yeah, 2.5 years exactly of a base forming. And this is on weekly, right? This is massive. I would not be surprised to see this rallying a lot in the next 6 to 9 months. And this is on weekly again. I said above the moving average. I said about Ichimoku, which looks good. I said above the range highs from here. But look, something very beautiful is going on here. I think I drew it even nicer before this. Let's go back. Yes. So this is what I was seeing. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Okay. So this is a very nice inverse head and shoulders. We have the neckline around this area. What? Let's establish it here. Okay. Lock it in. So this is the neckline. That's why I said I want to see it about 30. So once we're going to see it about 30, let's see what is the potential for this to rally. It's around 61%. Okay. So if this is going to rally 61% from here, this means, so above 30, like I said, 61%. On weekly, we had 40. But you know what? Let's do it like this. It's fine. Let's do 61% from 28 from here. And let's do, actually, you know what? I'm going to be even more Catholic than the Pope. I'm going to do the percentage which I said the first time, because let's say I'm not going to measure the week from here. I'm going to do 50%, because this is what I said the first time, right? Like 50%. And I think if I go back on weekly, this is the first target. So once this is going to go above 28 area or 30 area, this has the potential to fill this based on this target, based exactly on this inverse head and shoulders that we were studying, very quickly to 40. So I think this is a very nice target to watch. I think this target has the potential to be reached very fast in the upcoming, I'm not going to say weeks, in the next 1 to 3 weeks. If Ethereum ETF starts trading, this is going to be my target area for ENS once it gets above this area. So it has to go above the neckline. And please bear in mind, the neckline is not just like a fixed value. That's why I wrote it like I wrote it. This is a whole area. So I'm going to pull it. I'm going to mark it with red, like between 28 and 30. I want to see it above these previous highs from here. like a clear close above the previous high. So if this is gonna happen, we're gonna have the full. So you can have it from here. From here, it does not matter. I just wanted to be on the conservative side, right? So if this is gonna break the neckline, we can see something like this. I know some people will say, "Oh, this is crazy. It cannot happen." Well, this happened also here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. This is middle July. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna put. Do we need it? Yeah. Let's make an annotation here. 2706 2002. AMA target best. Yep. And after this, we're gonna let the price do its thing.